Hi. So this is where I'm living right now. Look how amazing. This is where you put the key card. Hi. My gosh. Okay. So from where I'm at, this is how it look like. It looks like. So just gonna open this for you. I don't know. I just lost the. Ayan. So these are all my stuff. My damit, my luggage, my bag, my other luggage. At kasama ng room na to ang dalawang, yan, whatever you call it. So, aking mga mamahaling mga bra. So, let's see. Kanino kaya ito? There. That's Anna. So, yeah. I had my friend come over. Si Anna. Para naman may kasama ako dito, mag-enjoy. So, this is the restroom. The bathroom. Yan. Yan, kay Ana rin yan. And these are my stuff. Hi! So, yan. Masaya ako kasi may malaking mirror sa labas ng CR. Yan. And I love that it has bathtub. There's really not much you can see here. Now, yes, I'm using papaya soap. Okay. So, here, mga shades. Tapos, bumili na ako ng, yan, coffee. This is my favorite. This is actually for a friend of mine. But, yeah. Yun. Ito yung, my sister got me this nung pumunta siya sa Singapore. So yeah, it's a coffee bags. It's like a coffee, but it's in a tea bag. It's in a bag. So yeah, coffee beans in a bag. Ito hindi na yan sa akin sa hotel na dito yan sa hotel. So pag kumuha ko niyan, it's gonna cost me much. So yan, magulo na yung kama kasi nakatulog na kami. This is our second day. Oh my gosh. Ayusin naman natin yung unan. Yes. Yan. May free naman na bottle. So this one. Diyan ko nilalagay yung mga binili ko pa from Pinas. Kala nyo tipid ako. May surf ako. And yeah, I have this yung mga binili ko dito na sa Singapore. So yeah, there. So this is the bed. This is the twin bed. Dapat king size, but they don't have king size. They don't have king size na non-smoking. So let's see. I have here noodles. I got this pa sa Pinas. Kasama ko yung mom ko. And of course, I cannot live without this. Imagine 3 months. So let's open the ref. Yeah, I did. Bought Tiger beer. The others, they're not mine. It's from the hotel. So, what we have here, mga shoes. That's the only shoes I have as of now. Then my bags na dadalhin ko. Sorry, Truch. I got your bag. So this is one of my favorite. The TV. It's so good. It's amazing. So, yon. This is where Anna slept. And this is my other side. Yon. And I also love this couch. Not really, but yeah. It's fun. It's good. So, yan, kay Ana yan. And of course, ang nakakahiya kong laptop na kinakailangan pa ng keyboards. Kadiri. I'm so Pinoy. Yan. What else do we have here? I guess that's all there is to see. Oh yeah, I have one. Wanna show you, ma. Imagine kung ano kaya naman ito? You wanna guess? Tchanan! My loads and loads, lots and lots and lots of panties. Bakit ba? Yun lang. See ya!